My dude, what you talking about, bro? What you talking about, bro? Why you kissing at me and stuff? What? What you talking about, bro? You'll do what to me? Oh, nah, bro.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Ryan Jamil, and you already know I'm for real when I say I'm back with another video. Happy Easter. I know my background looks a little bit different, but it's because I'm at my grandmother's house. If you know, you know. You probably done clicked on this video. It's Easter. You probably at your granny house, or you probably just got home from your granny house. Judging by the title of this video, y'all know your girl already know why you're here. I've been seeing a lot of y'all in my comments talking about how deep my voice is. Like, I know my voice is deep. I really wish y'all would get off me. I know my voice is deeper than most girls. I'm glad that y'all are coming from my voice because it made me think like, I might as well put this deep voice to the test, you heard? Today, I am going to be catfishing dudes on the Monkey app using my deep voice. Now look, I've been practicing on this. Like, I don't know if it's like as deep as I need it to be, or I don't know if it's deep enough, but it's gonna have to be deep enough today. Unfortunately, they don't even have the Monkey app anymore, so I had to download an app that's similar and does the same thing. So I end up downloading an app called Monkey Run. Y'all already know what your girl about to say, man. Without further ado, we about to go ahead and get into this video and make it do what it do. Let's get it. All right, now look, I already know what y'all thinking by the screen, and it's because if I click on just boys, it tries to make me get a premium, and I ain't got time for all that. So we're gonna do both boys and girls, and if I get connected with a girl, I'm gonna just hang up on her. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So we finna get started with it, yummy. That's not what I want to do. Okay.
My dude, what you talking about, bro? What you talking about, bro? Why you kissing at me and stuff? What? What you talking about, bro? You'll do what to me? Oh, nah, bro. Oh! This one ain't want to do this because it's going to take too long to load. Skip. I ain't got time for it. I ain't got... Bruh. Why are people like this? I'm good, how are you?
Your name?
Ryan, what's your name?
Your name?
I should have put an age restriction on this. Skip to the next, not doing girls. Come hung up on me.
What's going on?
What's good with you?
Well, that's you.
I'm straight. What's your name?
Mitch.
Oh, okay, that's what's up.
What's your name?
Oh, my name Ryan.
What?
My name Ryan.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just confused.
Why are you confused, Mitch? What's good with you? What's your name? I'm doing good. How are you? Mississippi. Oh, thank you. I like yours too. How old are you? Oh, dang, you young. Yeah, you're really young. 23. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Cuz ain't talking about nothing. Cuz ain't talking about nothing. Dang, I need some more people like Mitch. What it do? I'm good, how are you?
Hell no, to the no.
Hey, these people weird, bro. Ain't nobody falling for my stuff. I knew I should have practiced my deep voice somewhere. What's up with you?
You know some money?
Bruh.
What's up with you?
Where you from?
What's up? What's good with you?
What's up?
Oh, I'm from Mississippi. Where you from?
Wait a minute. Wait.
You say what?
I said I'm from Mississippi. Where you from? Oh, what's your name? Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. You cute as hell.
Oh,
Hey, how funny is it?
What I do?
We keep it for us.
Ain't nobody falling for it, y'all. I don't want to talk to you. I'm getting connected to all these girls. Y'all better not be taking this the wrong way. What's up? How you doing?
What the hell?
No, Mr. President.
What's good with you? This video finna be so bruh. Oh my gosh, bruh.
Hey,
What's good with y'all?
what's up? Can you hear us?
Hell no, I can't hear shit, bruh.
Wait a damn minute.
What's good with you, home?
Tell me why. I just saw an old man before I came to you jerking off dead in my face.
Bruh, the same thing been happening to me. I'm like, what y'all doing?
This old man, he's like 83 years old, just staring in camp like this and just like,
No, for real. Like, I'm like, what are y'all doing? Is this what y'all do? Y'all come on this app to do that? Like, what are y'all doing?
and then when I got on this app yesterday, it's two black dudes eating nothing on his butt.
oh my.
What's your name, though? Like, what's up?
It's Keandre. What's your name?
Ryan.
Two black.
Where you from, Keandre?
I'm from Virginia.
Oh, that's what's up. I'm from Mississippi.
Your voice kind of scared me. I ain't gonna lie.
What's wrong with my voice?
Oh, what's your name? What's your name, sir? Oh,
What's, dang, you trying to be rude? Like, I ain't know my voice was that deep. Like,
What I was gonna do, I was gonna go in like a deep voice until I just saw what I just saw. Like, hey, yo, you know what I did? And I saw that man giving up my shit.
I'm doing good. How you doing? Hung up so fast, bruh. I keep getting connected to the same people. I'm gonna decline them every time. Cuz just messaged me. I'm gonna have to get his socials. Hold on,
You scared me.
Bro, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I had to.
My fault.
You good? Keandre. I would connect with some of these girls because they're actually pretty, but I don't get down like that, you feel me?
Alright.
What's good with you?
Okay. You.
No, I'm just chilling. What's your name? Why you look so sad, bro?
Tired.
You tired? I'm 23. Why you looking like that every time I say something, bro?
I'm too young to be talking to you right now.
How old are you, like 10?
Bruh.
15.
He's a goner. What's good with you? What you smoking on, bro? That Reggie?
Maybe you do.
Never.
I don't know about the rest of them.
Where you from?
I used to talk about it too, but
Dang, you ain't gotta be all rude and stuff. Like, my voice just had a crack in it.
voice was deep as fun. I'm like, damn.
Dang, why does everybody make fun of me for that? Like, my voice really ain't that deep.
I don't know, your voice might be a little bit deep. It's just that you come across like you're trying to sound like you got it.
Oh, nah, I'm straight. I'm just chilling.
Where you from now?
Mississippi, where you from?
I'm from Cleveland. Cleveland, Ohio.
Ohio? Oh. That's all for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment down below, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification bell on the bottom right so that you can keep up with all content that your girl posts on our channel. It's been real and it's been fun, but damn, it ain't been real fun. If you guys want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, be sure to follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here. DM me my next W, DM me my next video, repost me on your story and tag me and I will follow you guys back. You already know what your girl about to say, man. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into this video and I'll see you in my next one. Love y'all. Peace.
Ask you to take me